Yo guys, what's up? It's D Fantasy here, back with another video. And today we're gonna be doing some pre-release for Phantom Rage. We managed to get four sneak peek packs, and yeah, each one comes with a field center. Let's just take a look at this field center here. Damn, dude, this thing's clean. Oh yeah. I apologize for any background noise you guys hear. But, okay, let's get cracking onto the first one. We got 4 to go too, so let's try and get through this. Alright. Alright. First pack, let's go. Let's put these here. Alright. Alright. Let's focus. Alright, Mutant Cry. Jandor. Mutant Expansion. Virtual World Roshi. Alright, for our first super rare. Familiar Possessed. Alright. Hoping to get at least one secret would be nice. Tri-Brigades. Oath, Fernity Conjurer, Hinazumi Hanabe, UA Hyper Stadium, some dual avatar cards, Infernators, alright. Second pack. Oh, sorry, third pack, I should say. Virtual World, Avatar, Fernity. Xyz Import, actually. That's a good card. Oh, nice! Okay, let's go. I needed this card. Sweet. Let's go. Super rare. Phantom Knights of Stained Gloves is also good. Alright. Xyz Import's a good card. Alright. Yeah, you can open it if you want. Just open it like this, how I'm opening it. Mutant, Arcana, Virtual World Long. Alright. Alright. Open up the pack. Like that. And then you pulled it up in your hand like this. And you just swip. Generator. Come on, Prank Kids Meow Meow. Oh, dual avatar. Alright. Alright. You want to open up this one, Dylan?
Sure.
Alright. Here you go. Alright. Here, buddy. Yeah, just make sure it's in the camera. Yeah. Yeah, you're good. Go ahead. There you go. Yep. Yeah, just leave it there. Now flip them around? Yeah, there you go. And just sweat, yeah, there you go, perfect. Alright. Yep. Oh, nice, an ultra rare, Dylan. Nice, good job. Alright. What's this one? Dogmatica card.
Oh my god, what the hell is this?
Nice. You got an ultra rare, Dylan. Nice.
Thank you.
Alright, sweet.
Thank you. Special touch.
No, that was a good pull, man. That was a good pull. Alright, next. 3 more to go. Alright, let's put all our hollows there. Second one. Thanks, Leo. Tri-Brigade, Oath, Fernity, Conductor of Nephis. Alright. Really hoping to pull that Prank Kids Meow Meow. UA Locker Room.
You wanna get some meow meow? Let's go.
Oh, let's go! Let's freaking go! Alright. Tri-Brigade Shrig, the Ominous Omen. Damn. First secret rare, let's go! Alright. Alright. Raiders Unbreakable. Oops. Mutant G8. Arcana, come on. Virtual World City Kowloon. Penguin Brave. What is so funny? I'm just opening up packs. Oh yeah. Alright. 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 Possessed Gigabyte. Mutant. Banquet of Millions. Oh, okay, another ultra rare. Sweet, let's go. Phantom Knights rank up Magic Force. Alright, this is the third I believe? Yes, third. Let's sneak peek. Infinity Conjure. Oh, nice! Another Dogmatic Ultra. Damn, alright. Tri Brigade. Oh, nice, another Captain Roland. Alright. Alright. Emily. Alright. Dual Avatar. Mutant. Come on, prank kids. Meow meow. Oh, damn. Oh, Mutant Synthesis, alright. Tri Brigade Standoff. Dolphin. Come on. No! Where is that Prank Kids Meow Meow? Where's that Prank Kids Meow? The last one. for any Doom Archfiends. We have 3 more packs, guys. Come on. Just one Prank Kids Meow Meow would be nice. Virtual World Juju. Second let's play. Oh, dude, I thought it was it. Dang. Tri Brigade. Another Ultra Rare is nice, though. Here you get the Baron Blossom. Oh, dude, I thought that was it, bro. Alright. Alright, last pack, bro. Come on. A dual avatar armored Ash Geo. And yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the opening. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one.